everyone, so here I am ready with the second part of bouncing ball game. In our first part we have created a bar which we could able to move towards the left and also towards the right when we will press left arrow key and right arrow key respectively. So once we have done that, now we need to create a ball. Let us understand how we are going to work when we are going to create a ball here. So just give me a minute. Yeah. This is the screen. So when we are going to create a ball, the ball by default will get created here at the center of the screen. So first of all, we have to give the shape, right? Which shape we want to make. So we want to make it as a circle shape, and then we can give a different color to that circle, that ball. So we can set the different color also. But we don't want the ball to appear here at the center, but by default the ball will appear here at the center only. We want our ball to go up on the top of the screen. Let us understand how the coordinates will work. So here your y coordinate will be maximum positive and here your y coordinate will be maximum negative. Right. So at the center your y coordinate will be 0. So if your screen size is 500, 500, so here it will be 250 on the top plus 250 and at the bottom it will be minus 250. So if I want your ball to go up on the top, we can take y equal to plus 245 or you can take y equal to plus 250, whichever you feel. You can take according to your requirement. I am writing here, I will be using here plus 245. So first of all, let us create our ball. So here I am writing the comment. Here I have created the ball. I have given the shape to the ball as circle and I have given color to the ball as orange. So once I run this code, let's see where my ball will appear on the screen. So hope you can see the ball is there at the center of the screen. So sorry. Ball is there at the center of the screen, but I want my ball to go up, so we will change xy coordinate, whereas x will be the same and y will be different. So y will be plus 245. You can also take plus 250. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write here ball dot go to 0, 245. Now when I am going to send my ball on the top position, definitely it is going to make a line. But I don't want my ball to make a line. So what I have to do, I am going to make it as ball dot pen up. Now let's see how it is going to work. So now you can see that my ball is going up and now it is at the topmost position. But we don't want to see our ball to move up when we start the game. So here what we are going to do, as soon as we have created the ball, we will say you need to hide the ball or you need to hide the turtle. And once it reaches to the top position, we can say that ball should be shown. That means you should show the turtle. Now let's run and check and we will see that whether we could able to see ball going up or we can just see the ball up only. So here we didn't see that ball is moving up. We have just seen the ball here at the topmost position. Right. Now here the next thing what we have to do, that our ball should fall down like this. Ball should fall down. So here when ball is falling down, we can just move ball every time by some pixels. So as soon as we will make our ball move some pixel, definitely it will go down and it will reach to the bottommost position, right? But there is a problem. What is that? Just a minute. So what is the problem here now? The problem is when you create a ball or when you create a turtle here, let's say your turtle is here now, by default the direction of your ball or direction of your turtle will be towards right. So whenever you are giving a code for a ball to move forward by 1 or 2 pixels, it will not go down, it will go rather towards the right side. But we want our ball to go down, so what we will do, we will change the direction from right to down. How we will change the direction? Using set heading function. So here when I have created the ball, below that I will be using ball dot set heading function, and inside the bracket I am writing 270. Now here, if by default your ball position is towards the right, which is set heading 0°. Then if I want your ball should go on the top, go up, then it will be set heading 90°. If I want your ball to go towards left, the set heading will be 180°. And if I want your ball to go down, the set heading will be 270. So this is something which I have reused here. Set heading is 270. Now, if I will make your ball move on pixel by pixel, definitely it is going to fall down. Now here I am going to create a function for ball fall. Here I am writing ball and here I am writing fall. And I am going to make my ball move forward by, let's say, 3 pixels every time. So how we will make our ball fall here? When my ball will move only one time 3 pixel, it will not fall down. So I need to create loop here. That loop should be continuous. That means infinite loop, where I am going to call my ball fall function. So the loop will execute ball fall function again and again. And because it is going to execute it again and again, your forward will take place many times. Ball dot forward will happen many times. So first of all, let's create the infinite loop. How to create an infinite loop? Infinite loop can only be created when condition is true using while loop. So for that, I am writing here while true. So now I am going to call here ball fall function. Now let's see whether my ball is falling down or not. So you can see the ball is falling down, right? But it is not coming back. So what we have to do here, we need to write a code in such a way that once your ball reaches to this position, automatically it will come on the top and then will fall again. So we have to write the code in such a way. So how is it possible? Here this point is minus 250, or you can take minus 245 also, both will work. So once your ball reaches to this particular position or this particular position, the new position for your ball will be here on the top, which is again either 245 or 250, however you feel you can take. I am going to take minus 245 and 245. So here, I will go up and I will write this code in ball fall function. What is that code? That if the y coordinate, y core of my ball is smaller than minus 245, in that case, I should make my ball to go to at 0, 245 position. So again, when I am going to run my code, my ball is falling down very fast and it is going back also. It is falling down and it is going back. So falling down is the code which we have written, but why it is going back? It is going back because we have written that once it fall down, it should go back to that point, that point on the top. So if we could able to see that it is moving too fast because the code is written in while loop. I have called ball fall function in while loop. So it is happening too fast that I am feeling the ball is going up. So to stop this, what I can do here is, again I can use hide turtle and show turtle. So here I am writing height turtle, so that once my ball will go back to the topmost position, I will not be able to see that my ball is going through the screen. And once it is done, ball height turtle, I am also going to do show turtle. Show turtle I will only use when my ball will reach to the position where I want it to reach on the top, where I want my ball to go on the top. So let's see whether it is working how we want, like ball should fall down, and when it's go out of the screen, again it should fall down. It's go out of the screen, again it should fall down from the top itself. Yeah, correct. So now here, once my ball reaches near the bar, it should bounce back. So here I want to explain a small concept, how it is going to work and how we can write the code for the collision between bar and the ball. Now here, if you remember, the width which we have taken for the bar is 1 and the length which we have taken for the bar is 3. Right? If your bar is if for your bar, if width is 1 and length is 1, that means length value is actually 20 pixel and width value is also 20 pixel. So here this is single value, single width, and this is 3 times length. So this from this is 20, this from this is again 20, and this is also 20. So one length is actually equal to 20 pixels. And here the width is 20. When you create a bar, whatever is the length, the center always exists between. The center always exists between. So if I'm going to take here, if I'm going to take it, my ball will fall down, right? So when my ball will fall down from this point to this point, wherever my ball will touch, it will touch the bar and it should go back. So what is this point? This means 10. This means 10 here, minus 10 basically. From here to here it is minus 10, and from here to here it is plus 10. From here to here it is minus 20. So can I write, I am going to write here x minus 30 is this coordinate, this particular coordinate. Now the same here, plus 10, and here it is plus 20. So what is the value of this coordinate? It is x plus 30. Because towards the right, x will increase, whereas when we will go towards the left, x will decrease. So that means the coordinate, this is the bar coordinates, like bar range, where your ball will fall and it should bounce back. Similarly, let us understand for y. So for y, I am creating again. This is 20 pixel here, the length, and center is here. So y is this 20 pixel means 10 here on the top and minus 10 here at the bottom, because when we will go down, your y will increase, whereas when we will go up, your y will when we will go down, your y will decrease, and whenever we will go up, your y will increase. So here what will be the coordinate? Here it will be y plus 10 and here it will be y minus 10, right? Now because we are taking it for bar, so we will always write bar dot x core and bar dot y core. So let us write the condition to make your ball collide with bar. So that condition also we will be writing here in the ball fall, because once ball is falling there, simultaneously it will check whether it can collide or not. So here I am writing bar dot x core plus 30 should be greater or equal to ball dot x core, whereas ball dot x core should be greater or equal to bar dot y core minus 30. Once this condition should be true, and simultaneously one more condition here, condition for x should also be true. So here I am writing the condition for this is for x, and the condition for y also we need to write here. plus 10 is greater or equal to ball dot y core, and ball dot y core is greater or equal to bar dot y core minus 10. So both the condition and means both the conditions. This condition also should be true, and this condition also should be true. So the condition which is written before and should be also true, and the condition which is written after and also should be true. So if both the conditions are true, what I want my ball to bounce back. So here I am writing ball right by 120 degree. What do you mean by right? That means ball will take a right turn. Sorry, left. So ball will take a left turn. How it is going to be? Let me show it to you. Yeah. So what will happen? Your ball will fall down. Once it reaches to the bar, on the top of the bar, it will take another turn. Like when it is going down, it will take a left turn. Left turn means actually it should go down, but it has taken the left turn, right? And what is the angle? Here angle will be 120 degrees, this particular angle. So that is why I have written ball should turn towards the left. Now let's run and check whether it is working how we want it to work. So here ball will fall down, and once it reaches, it will go towards the left 120 degree. Now you can see that though it bounced back while colliding with the bar, but once it reaches to the edge, it went out of the edge. That we don't want. We don't want that ball should go out of the edge. We don't want the ball should go to any out of any edge, neither this one nor this one, and also not this one. So for that we need to write the code. Now let us understand how it is going to work when we don't want it to go out of the edge. So here, let's say ball reaches this point. What is this point? It is x equal to positive 250. Or let's say ball reaches to this point. What is this point? X equal to negative 250. Though I am going to take here 245 both the sides, but this is the actual end position, end pixel or end coordinates. Now what will happen if ball reaches to this position? Here your y should be equal to plus 250 or 245. However it is, I am going to take it 245. You can take it as 250. So let's see, I'm writing here that condition. So if your ball dot x core is smaller than minus 245, then that means it is going towards the left. So it should bounce back towards the right. So it is going like this. It is going like this. I want, rather than going this, it should turn like that. Let me make you understand here. Let's say your ball is going like this. So it come here. Now rather than going out of the screen, it will turn like that. So basically it is going in that way, right? But I am giving a turn, which is again from this side. If I am going, this is the right, and this is 120 degrees angle. So here I am going to write ball dot right by how much degrees? 120 degrees. Now let us come back again to the screen. Let's say your ball is going towards the right side. So it is going towards the right side, though it is should go like that, right? But it should bounce back like this. So here, this is the left turn. So this is the left turn, and it will be 120 degrees. So if your ball reaches to x 250 or 245, so here I am writing condition. If ball dot x core is greater than 245, then in that case, then in that case, ball dot left should be 120 degrees. Likewise, once my ball reaches to y coordinate 245, so here I am writing ball dot y coordinate is greater than 245, either you can write right turn or you can give a left turn. So here I am writing ball dot right by 120 degrees. Now let's run and check how it is going to work. So here it is. My ball will fall down. It will turn back. So it went off. Again it will fall down. It is turning. But if you could able to see, while turning, it will always take a gap of some seconds. It will stop and then it will take a turn. So we have to stop that part. For that, what we can do, we can give a speed to my ball. So here I am giving the fastest speed. So here in turtle, when we give a speed 0, it will be the fastest speed. So now let's run and check. So here ball will fall down. Now there is no gap. It won't wait for some seconds and then turn back. It is continuously going. Got it? But if you want your ball to be more fast, then what you can do here in forward, like if you want your ball to cover more pixels, then you can write here 5. And let's run and see. Your ball is coming very fast. It is turning very fast. Yes, so this is how it is working. So that's all for today's video. We will be coming with the third part of the bouncing ball game. Till now, that's all. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly press the like button and you can subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much.